Hello, everybody. I am Lalit, and we are Team META.
What you just saw was a real-life implementation of our application, Iris, developed by our team, Somcheda, Samdrup, Jamaiatile, and myself. According to the 2017 Population and Housing Census of Bhutan, 2.1% of the population are living with disabilities in Bhutan, which may not seem like a lot, but it actually represents around 15,567 people. From this demographic, a significant number of them are either visually impaired and people with hearing or speaking disabilities. It is of great difficulty for this portion of the demographic to communicate with the rest of the population because of the mode of communication used by the specially abled person is different and lesser known to the general demographic. For example, a person with speech impairment may communicate with sign language to a normal person, but the normal person who has never learned sign language may not be able to interpret and understand what the other person is saying. This is where Iris comes in. Iris helps bridge this communication gap between these two demographics. The primary feature of Iris are sign language to speech and speech to sign language, both of which are available in local dialects. With this, a person with speech impairment will be able to communicate with others via sign language, which our product will convert to speech. And then they will even understand what the other person is saying with the help of our speech to text and speech to sign language interpreter. Start with English.
Hello, my name is Lalit.
Da Songhana Bewachin.
Chebe Semgai.
Aba Nepali ma.
Yo Mero Demo.
Shashubka Pinila.
Nan Rungi Semharpa.
Now we're going to demonstrate speech to sign language. Hello, my name is Lalit. Just like how our software never stops growing, Iris 2 will continue to grow. We already have a few things under development and a few ideas that we want to implement in the future. With the second release, that consists of integrating an image detection module with our smart glasses. Our smart glasses has an embedded camera that can be connected to your phone using Bluetooth. What we hope to do with the glasses is to make the person using the glass be aware of the objects around them. As you can see, our application will be able to correctly detect and label objects around them, making the user aware of their surroundings. This is especially helpful to the visually impaired who have difficulty navigating around places. In our upcoming release, we also have a video calling feature, whereby a specially abled person can communicate using sign language, which is then converted to speech for the other person to understand. Team Meta, as the development center, is also open for partnership with institutions like Druxo, Disabled People's Organization, and Mitsling Institute, which is the School for the Blind in Kalin. However, a minimum commercialization is feasible with the help of our glasses, which is our primary source of revenue for sustainability. The glasses cost around 1600 from the vendor. Hosting and storage services cost around 6500 per year. With a markup of 600, we will be able to cover most of our expenses, including marketing and distribution. The initial investment for our application will come from our savings we have made for the project and hopefully from winning the hackathon. It will take us about a year to recover our investment, which in itself is minimal, as a huge inventory is not required, after which the revenue will be used for sustainability of our project. As for our competition, we did not come across any individuals or organizations trying to develop a product similar to ours in the Bhutanese market. There are projects that are similar to Iris in the international market, but what makes us different is our app's ability to support some local dialects, with more upcoming in the future.